the things that we've learned about during our unit on sound, our sonic exploration. First of all, we happen to know that sound is a form of energy produced by vibration. Ooh, you guys are good. Now, here's your challenge for today. Your final project is going to be to create an instrument. That instrument is going to create sound, which is energy produced by vibration. With that final project, you are also going to be able to show us how those sound waves, how that vibration can be changed. You're going to be changing the high and the low. And what is that? What is that? Raise your hand if you know. Logan D. You got it. You're also going to be changing the loud and the quiet. What is that? Fred, you? Here. Okay. You cannot work with partners. This is your instrument.
I want to work with Jake.
I know. You may ask each other to borrow or to have materials. You can share materials, but each person has to have their own instrument because this is your project. What's going to happen is you're going to make an instrument of your very own that's going to demonstrate, and here I actually have this for you right here. You're going to make an instrument as a supersonic scientist that can change pitch and volume, and you're going to show us that in a presentation. So what I mean is, first you're going to plan it, you're going to design it, you're going to do a little drawing and write a little something about it. Then you're going to build it. Over the weekend you can think if you need to revise. When you come back you'll have a little time to revise it, and next week you're going to show us how your instrument works. You're going to show us how you change the pitch, how you change the volume, and how it works. So everybody needs their own one. Does that make sense? Okay. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you on the document camera what the planning packet looks like. Then I'm going to give it to you so you will have, you'll have till about snack time to kind of make your plan and take your time to really think about how you're going to use it. Thumbs up if you understand what you need to do. If you're wearing blue, go back to your seat.
I'm all wearing blue.
All right. If you're wearing red, go back to your seat. If you're wearing purple, go back to your seat. If you're wearing anything shiny or sparkly, go back to your seat. If you're wearing anything striped, go back to your seat. Students then transitioned back to their tables from the circle area and worked in their planning sheets to draw a diagram with labels explaining what they would need to create their instrument, and then how the pitch and the vibration and the volume would be affected when they played their instrument. From there, they could visit the front table, select the materials they needed, and then get started. Tell me about your plan right here.
Well, you're gonna put like I forgot to put my beads.
Can you explain what it's going to look like and what's
Shape the and it's gonna like the faster harder, it's gonna make louder or softer sound.
Cool. Okay. And what is sound? It's an energy produced by? Students used the rest of this time to finish building their instruments. They will have one more session to revise their designs on Monday, followed by a presentation period where they will explain the different dynamics of their instrument using the vocabulary words pitch, volume, and vibration. After this, they'll take a vocabulary test to show comprehension.